Academia Talk is here for you. And today we have invited someone who is here to reflect some light on a unique technical program offered at Kent State University. We are very honored to have with us Dr. Arvind Bansal. Dr. Bansal is a distinguished professor in the Department of Computer Science at Kent State University. He has received his BTech in Electrical Engineering and MTech in Computer Science from the prestigious Indian Institute of Technology in Kanpur, India. And his PhD he has gotten in Computer Science from Case Western Reserve University, Cleveland. Throughout his abundant career, he has worked in numerous prestigious organizations such as Argonne National Laboratory in Illinois, European Molecular Biology Laboratory at Heidelberg, Germany, and the University of Melbourne, Australia, and the Australian AI Institute. He has made significant contributions in the deep study of modern day programming languages. And today, he has joined us to talk to us and tell us and help us understand about artificial intelligence. And an honor to have you here with us. I hope you are doing well, and I'd like to get into it straight with the questions with you. My first question to you is the most basic one. What is artificial intelligence, and how has this new technology emerged as an important pillar of technical innovation today?
Thank you, Shrishti. It's such a pleasure to talk to you again. And talking about artificial intelligence, it's not a new thing. It started with the start of the computer science back in 60s. But now the computers are very fast, and we have got better a handle of reasoning process, human reasoning process. And when we combine these two, we get artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is an interdisciplinary science that has evolved by combining concepts from traditional areas to solve the real-world complex problems, such as optimization problems, pattern discovery problems, automated machine learning problems, image analysis, robotics, intelligent man-machine interaction. And all of these problems, they take very long time from traditional computing mechanisms and algorithms. So artificial intelligence tries to do that in realistic time like humans can do. So it emulates human reasoning, prediction capability, learning capability, human sensory perception, such as vision, hearing, touch, human speech recognition, speech generation, natural language understanding, and so on. It is in a true sense STEM area, where STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, and artificial intelligence is an integration of all of them. And many fields such as mathematics, psychology, cognitive science, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, control engineering, computer science, economics, and philosophy have contributed to the present form of artificial intelligence. The major impact has come from computer science due to programming and algorithmic development aspect. However, AI algorithms are significantly different from traditional algorithms. AI algorithms use mathematical modeling and heuristics, which is estimate based on sound mathematical modeling to improve the search and find out better solutions. AI has emerged as a main pillar of industrial application in last decade, which you were referring to, because of its integration of computing power of ever-improving computers and its capability of mathematical modeling and emulating human reasoning. This emulated intelligence can be put everywhere in any device having an embedded computer, including places where humans cannot reach or are unwilling to reach, or they are in short supply.
Okay, so then what is the future like when we think in terms of artificial intelligence? How prevalent is artificial intelligence going to be in the coming time?
10 years back, you asked, 20 years back, if you ask the same question about computers, now the computers are everywhere. Your computers are in your car, in your cell phones, and you go anywhere in your homes. So the same thing is with artificial intelligence. Wherever there will be computer, there will be artificial intelligence. So in future, artificial intelligence will have applications in every walk of life to augment human capability and industries where there's a shortage of human labor, such as health industry, elderly care industry, home care industry, transportation industry, smart homes and cities, smart communication, resource optimization, fraud detection in banking, and cybersecurity. Artificial intelligence will be embedded in every computing device and machine interfaces. It will become an integral part of every instrument device, transportation, information flow, human interaction, communication, enhancement of life. It will also have huge application in space industries. And now in space, is becoming big business. Now people are going to space and it will become a big business. Defense industry, transportation industry, deep sea exploration, agriculture industry, search and rescue operation in hazardous or hard to reach places.
So when we're talking about students who wish to pursue Master of Sciences in Artificial Intelligence, more popularly known as MSAI at Kent State University, then what unique features should they be knowing about regarding the curriculum of the program offered?
Okay, so there are two aspects, what we offer to students and what students are expected to know before they come to artificial intelligence. So at this point of time, what we are offering is three main themes: intelligent analytics, robotics, smart homes, and automation. Intelligent analytics is concerned with emulating human reasoning process for learning and improving efficient process. It has application in cybersecurity, security in information flow in internet, that's cybersecurity, industrial process optimization, health informatics. You go to a doctor and you see all these computer and automatically doing things for you. You see wearable devices, all that is health informatics. Bioinformatics like disease diagnostics and drug development, business process such as fraud detection, game playing, which is again a multi-billion-dollar industry, homeland security, motion analysis, and much more. Robotics is concerned about developing intelligent machines that can walk, talk, interact with you, converse with you, and manage daily work. Smart homes and automation is concerned with homes, cities, and healthcare. Under this theme, AI will be used to plan and the energy distribution, road planning for optimized traffic and pollution management, utility management, integration with renewable energy like solar energy and wind energy, and devices that can communicate over the internet for supply chain management. So you want something, your fridge is not working, it will automatically dial and get you your preferred serviceman. If you run out of food in the fridge, it will automatically call your vendor and he will supply or she will supply the food for you. So all that will become part of a smart home. So that's so we have got core courses, foundational courses, and elective courses related to these three themes. There are 11 PhD faculty members with their respective research labs in which you will be doing research. These faculty members offer multiple AI-related courses, such as intelligent visualization, computational health informatics, biometrics, intelligent image analysis, vision, natural language processing, and understanding, Internet of Things, cybersecurity, robotics, and intelligent man-machine interface.
All right. So when we're talking about the students who are pursuing artificial intelligence, what kind of a background does one need to pursue artificial intelligence in the first place? And what makes a student eligible to apply for MS in AI at Kent?
Okay, so this question is a very interesting question. And the reason it is interesting, I have told you that AI will be in every walk of life. So in theory, anybody who wants to apply intelligence anywhere in dance, in music, to create music intelligently, will be using AI. But as in computers, there's application of computers, and there are people, computer scientists, who develop the software. So in AI, what we are selling right now is developing programmers and AI engineers who will be like computer scientists. They will be developing AI tools which can be applied elsewhere. So artificial intelligence is about finding intelligent process that can improve the system. And as I said, it has applications in every walk of life. But for us, program development, algorithmic mathematical modeling are very important because they are needed to develop intelligent systems. So in robotic team, we also need, we will also prefer digital circuits, operating system, and energy efficient computing and mechanics, which is all integrated. So if you are doing intelligent analytics, you don't need to know operating systems, you don't need to do digital circuits, but if you're doing robotics, you need to know that. Currently, we are promoting students from computer science and related fields, such as computer engineering and information technology, electrical engineering with sufficient programming background, mechanical engineering students with programming background, mathematical sciences students with sufficient programming background. Again, it blends into the themes. If you're an intelligent analytics person, then mathematical science and computer science will fit in well. If you're electrical engineering person or mechanical engineering person, robotics will fit in well with you if you've got programming background and so on. The core minimum requirement for qualification into this program is 4 major courses, which every computer science and computer engineering student does. But if other like electrical engineering student or mechanical engineering student is doing, they will need to do that. Discrete structures, which is used for mathematical modeling, programming, computer programming, data structures, which is organizing data in the program, and algorithm development. So every computer science program in this world right now offers all these 4 courses. Most of the computer engineering students also have these courses. Spring 2022, GRE is not required because of the COVID. And again, these are minimum requirements. Admission is based on a holistic assessment of students' performance and background.
Okay. So then what are the different types of industries that incorporate artificial intelligence within them? And what can one expect in terms of salary packages if they pursue a career in this field? Can you also tell us about some kind of internships that students look into during their course at the university?
Yes. As I said, artificial intelligence is going everywhere. Humans are everywhere. Intelligence is everywhere. So AI will also be everywhere. So we don't predict from 10 years from now, but like computer science has spread, computers have spread the same way intelligence will spread everywhere. So right now, AI emulates human intelligence, reasoning capability, organizational capability, and intelligent interaction. And it is being used in these 3 theme areas, which we are covering: intelligent analytics, robotics, and smart homes and automation. The industry involved transportation like airlines, automated car, Tesla has come. You can drive on with your hands off with some accident right now, but it will improve in 10 years. Automated planes, automated trains, automated energy distribution, healthcare that make intelligent wearable devices, MRI machines, echocardiogram analysis, ECG analysis, software for disease detection, industries for optimizing process and robotics, financial industries for automated banking, fraud detection, developing smart machines for smart homes. So you name the industry and I will say AI will be used. The type of jobs you can expect are machine learning engineer, AI engineer, big data engineer, robotics engineer, artificial intelligence architect, which designs the system and analyzes the industry and finds out where the system can be automated or intelligence can be put in there. Intelligent automation engineer, natural language processing engineer, which designs a system where machine can talk to you. So you require natural language processing engineer. In future, machines will be talking to you. You won't have to punch much. You will give instructions. And AI programmer, analytics engineer, business intelligence developer, computational linguist. So if you want to talk to a Japanese person, nowadays you've started seeing machines coming which translate your simple sentences into another foreign language. And in future, it will become very easy to do that. They will be embedded inside your phone and you talk in your language, say Hindi or Telugu, and it will be translated to Japanese at the other end. So computational linguist, data scientist, and data engineer, the salary is huge in AI because it's big in demand, short in supply. So there's a lot of money there. And it depends on the nature of job you will be doing and regions in USA due to varying living index. But it is considerably higher than other disciplines and regular computer science jobs. If you look up some job websites, it varies from 85K to 165K with a mean around 120K.
Wow.
With K is 1,000, right? So yeah, so $100,000, which is a good amount of money after masters. The department has an advisory industrial board from the local industries within the department. In addition, university has wide career fairs where industries come from presenting and recruiting students. There are also internship websites from multiple industries where students can apply. And we can create a website where students can go from there. Right now, we have not done it, but we will be doing it. And department and university only arrange enough interaction between the students and industry. However, the internship itself is a connection between the student and the industry. So foreign students have CPT training embedded inside masters. So they can apply for summer graduate internship and they will be given credit for it as a course. And that will become part of their CPT.
Okay. All right. So I guess that would summarize the answer to my question. Thank you so much, sir. It's actually been very informative to gather all this knowledge from you. To our viewers, join us on our links, which are showing on your screens below. These are for our Facebook and our Instagram pages. Subscribe to us and get to know about all our updates regarding the exciting programs offered at Kent State University. Thank you again, Dr. Bansal, for joining us today for such a lovely.
Thank you for inviting me.